second question, which is write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term and common difference D are given as follows. So we'll go to our first question first. For second question, first part. Question number 2, first part. A is equals to 10 and D is also equals to 10. So first term will be what? A1 is clearly 10. A2 will be what? 10 plus 10, which is equals to what? 20. A3 will be 20 plus 10 because we have to add D only, right? For A1, 10. For A2, on A1 we have added common difference. So A1 plus D is equals to A2. I explained this to you in your formula. An is equals to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So I am getting this from that formula. If you remember, An is equals to A1 plus, okay, let me write it quick so that's clear. Okay, so either you can use this formula or you can directly put the value. Okay, so if you are going to use this formula, then this is A1 plus D, which is nothing but 20. Now, either you can add 20 plus 10, which is equals to 30. So you can add, get A3 is equals to A2 plus D. One way of getting is this, or another way of getting is through this formula, which clearly says what? We have to find out third term. So A3 will be equals to nothing, A1 plus 3 minus 1 into D. So A3 is equals to A1 plus 2D. So A1 is what? 10. 2 into 10. So what we get? 30. So same. So either you can use this formula or you can use this formula. But it is always better to use this formula because this is the general form of that formula. So A3 is equals to A1 plus 2D and A4 is equals to what? A1 plus 3D. Clearly A4 will be A1 plus 3D because N is equals to 4. So A1 plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is A1 plus 3D. So A4 is equals to A1 plus 3D. What is A1? A1 is 10. 3 into 10 because D is also equals to 10. So what we get? 10 plus 30, which is 40. So what are the first 4 terms of this AP? 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. So the first 4 terms of this are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. Now let's go to our second question. I mean second part of second question. A is equals to minus 2, B is equals to 0. So A1 will be minus 2, A2 is equals to A1 plus D, A3 is equals to A1 plus 2D and A4 is equals to A1 plus 3D. Okay, so now here A1 is minus 2 plus D is what? 0. So your answer is going to be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0 only. So this is also minus 2. This is minus 2 plus 3 into 0, which is again minus 2. So the first 4 terms of this AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay. Now let's move on to the third part of second question. I'm going to write down these formulas because we are more or less using it for each and every question. So A1 is equals to A1, A2 is equals to A1 plus D, A3 is equals to A1 plus 2D and A4 is equals to A1 plus 3D. So these are pretty much direct questions, and if we get these kind of questions, we should not lose marks in these kind of questions. It is very important that we do all these questions correctly, okay? So yes, what is second? We will on third part. Okay, so A1 is equals to 4, A2 is equals to 4 plus, what is D? D is minus 3, which is 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. A3 is equals to 4 plus 2 into minus 3, which is 4 minus 6, nothing but minus 2. A4 is equals to 4 plus 3D, clearly 2D and 3D. That is 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. So what is our series? It is 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. So this is our answer for third question. Sorry, third part of second question. Now let's move to fourth part. A is equals to minus 1 and D is equals to half. So A1 is equals to minus 1. A2 is equals to minus 1 plus half. Clearly A1 plus D. So this gives me minus half. A3 is equals to minus 1 plus 2 into half, because it is A1 plus 2D. So this and this cancel, which gives me minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. A4 is equals to A1 plus 3D, which gives me minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but minus 1 plus 3 by 2, which is half. So what do we get? We get minus 1, comma, half, comma, 0, comma, sorry, minus 1, minus half, 0 and half. This is our answer for fourth part. Now let's move to fifth part. A1 is what? Minus 1.25 and D is what? Minus 0.25. So A2 will be A1 plus D, which is what? Minus 1.25 plus, I explained this to you in my last video also. If inside bracket you have something in minus and it is preceded by a positive sign, then this whole will take negative sign. So what will this become? Minus 1.25 minus 0.25, which will give you nothing but minus 1.5. A3 will be what? Minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. So first we will multiply this by this, and then this whole will take what sign? Negative sign. So this will be minus 1.25 minus 0.5, which is nothing but minus 1.75. A1 plus 3D, that's mentioned there. So I'm just going to write it directly, which is minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, which is nothing but minus 1.25 minus 0.75, that is minus 2. So what do we have here? What is our final answer? A1 is equals to minus 0.25. I'm so sorry, A1 is not minus 0.25, it is minus 1.25. B is minus 0.25. So A1 is minus 1.25, A2 is minus 1.5, A3 is minus 1.75 and A4 is minus 2. Okay, so here we complete 2 questions of exercise 5.1.